Hey folks, it's Adam Franklin here again. Today I just want to talk about two other pillars of my marketing methodology and how they impact your growth. So the two pillars that I want to cover today are LinkedIn and also the IP that you unpack and publish as content. So on LinkedIn, that's really the area where we want to be connecting with people, growing our network, deepening the relationships with the people in that network. And when you overlay that with the IP that you unpack and that you can share as content, whether they're videos or flagship content or articles or whatever, then what you'll find happening is that you will develop more trust with the people in your network. So you're connected on LinkedIn, and if you share valuable IP and content, well, that's going to deepen the trust. And what happens when people know, like, and trust you is that actually shortens the sales cycle. So you'll find that if people know, like, and trust you already before you're having that sales conversation, well, they're much more likely to buy immediately or much sooner than if they don't have that level of trust. So there you go. When the LinkedIn / connecting pillar overlays with the content and IP pillar, where you educate people, what happens is you develop trusted relationships, and that shortens your sales cycle. That's it from me, McCustom's House in Brizzy. I'll see you later.